I heard enough from a bunch of has-beens. You can't show me money, I'm forever diamond. That's a bad. This shit too awesome, way too awesome. Smoke a dope till I'm off on it, yeah, I know I got a lot coming.
Yeah, what it do, it's your boy Lou, and listen, bro, thank you for 4K. We hit 4K, but today we got archive, curated pages, marketplaces.
I seen this dude in the comments talking greasy, so I had to drop this for him. You know what I'm saying?
Starting off rip, we got heat with scabrags. You know what I'm saying? And they specialize in a lot of YSL, Dior Home, Jean Paul Gaultier, some number 9 of course, and crazy Balmain. Like, they got everything you never seen. You feel me? They ship worldwide. I'm pretty sure they're based out of Japan. And yeah, very reputable source. They don't even need vouchers, bro. They speak for themselves. You will not get scammed. You gotta understand, every single brand I've put in a video, I've bought from. You know what I'm saying? Just to, you know what I mean? Because I would never want y'all to get scammed. Never. But yeah, bro, his collection's crazy. On the page, they also have like scans from magazine drops, which I do appreciate that. Like, that's real. They're real, bro. These niggas not posers. They got so much, and some of the on-body looks of the pieces, style. I just want to shout out, bro, because the website OC, you feel me? And for me, the website means a lot, bro. Come on, how the clothes are presented means a lot. You feel me? I look at websites all day. It's the top tier site, top tier place to shop. Go get somebody a gift for Christmas, bro. You feel me? You starting off with heat. Alright, y'all, bet for the next site we have
Commune online,
and they're based out of Canada. You feel me? But they ship worldwide. All these spots ship worldwide. I know I got folks out there in Germany.
Shout out Germany, shout out Australia, shout out Greece.
All y'all be showing love, you feel me? And people be like, oh, do they ship worldwide? Do they ship? Yes, they ship worldwide. Now, their worldwide shipping prices vary, but I know from Canada to America, it's probably like 30 extra bones, maybe 20. It don't really matter. But their selection's crazy. Good Yoji. They got a bunch of good price garments, bro. And if you look at the USD to CAD conversion, it's a little come up, not too much, but just enough. You feel me? And you can definitely find unisex garments here, so you can get your girl something if you wanted to. But their outerwear selection crazy. Pants, bro, you're gonna find something 110,000%. And if you caught from them, let them know you came from the video. You feel me? Listen, bro, we 2 for 2, bro. Smash that like button, nigga.
Get the fuck in. They know what I'm on, I got Drakes when I been. Ain't fucking with niggas, so don't call me twin. You pass me the ball, I'ma score for the win. Pass me the Drake and I'm blowing.
Alright, bet for the next spot we have First Times Worldwide. And I'm not gonna lie, their collection really caught my eye because they have good Raf. You know, Raf Simmons is like my #1. You feel me? If I had to rank them, which I'm gonna drop, like ranking designers and shit like later on. But they got a good Raf selection. But it's not just Raf though. They have a good overall collection, fair prices, the website calm, you know what I'm saying? And I do like that they have other miscellaneous items too, like the posters, for example. They ship worldwide as well. You feel me? Yeah, man. I'm happy that this video is gonna reach the right people, bro. But I've been peeping that, bro. Y'all in the comment sections tapped in, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Look. But they also got the vintage tees too, which I really do rock with. They got rare band tees, just a bunch of just cool garments. And there's no way you won't find something you like. There's no way. You can tell they take pride in the collection and the collectors. Look at this Radiohead tee, bro. Peep the tag. That's how you know it's real. Yeah, bro. First Times Worldwide. Tap in with them. They will get you right. You feel me? We are 3 for 3.
Hit that motherfucking like button, bro.
Cause I'm coming with heat, and I got a lot more sauce than just the shit I put in this video, by the way.
Sometimes I wonder, yeah. Sometimes I wonder if this shit mean anything.
Alright, bet the next spot we have is 20 Maudst Street, which is literally the address, and they're based out of Canada. Shout out to motherfucking 6. You know what I'm saying? But I really do like their selection. They have Balenci, good Rick, you know what I'm saying? and a lot of other things in between that you would definitely like. Fair prices, of course, worldwide shipping, of course. Those Capital trousers, OC. This Issei, OC. Balenci, I do want those one day. This Balenci sweater, I never seen it. Fire. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like they got a lot of heat on their website. Boots, outerwear, everything. You feel me? Good selection. Great selection. Look at these gats, bro. I never seen this colorway. They gonna get you right for sure. Now get me right for sure. Hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. And by the way, I'm starting a new series. It's gonna be like icons in fashion, their style evolution. I'm gonna start with Kanye, and we're gonna go up from there. But look, we are 4 for 4. Hit that like button.
She put her hands up. She throw that ass back. I'm tryna catch on.
I bet the next spot is Archive Factory, bro, and the shit's in the name. But look, they got a lot of Supreme too, so they're like an in-betweener. They do have Archive, Avant-Garde, I'm doing air quotes and shit, but they have that side, but they also do have a lot of streetwear looks. They're based in Japan, and they ship worldwide. You feel me? So they got a huge collection. Like, their collection's massive. Accessories, bags, scarves, everything in between that. They get you with the sneaks. You can get a tie. You know what I'm saying? And this is just another brand that you should have in your back pocket, bro. They accept all types of payment. And yeah, bro, they got you, bro. Look. This is what I'm talking about. You feel me? And yeah, man. There's just so many sites, so much sauce. And if you want a part 2, hit that like button. If you want a part 2, let me know. I got you. Join the Discord. It's in the first link in the description. But let's get back to this. As you can see, bro, good undercover. I want to hit Japan soon, bro. But look, bro, they get you right every time. Archive Factory, nigga. I bet last but not least, we have Neverland Supply. You feel me? And a 4E. And look at these scarf denim. I have a pair. I bought a pair. They're on sale. They're ready to ship. Go cop them, bro. High quality, super high quality. And they're kind of like a reference off the PPFM scarf denim. Super rare. So shout out Brody for making those. He's a legend for that. But let's look at some of his catalog. And it's best to follow him on Instagram at Neverland Supply, just to stay up to date when he drops. But this is more patchwork he does. You feel me? Parka Bombers. Yes, sir. On the mainline collection. Tap in with him. He will get you right. Quick ships too. Quick ships. You understand me? Neverland Supply, bro. I've been rocking with Brody for a minute. He a cool ass dude. So it's for a better cause, bro. Tap in.
I'm a shy guy. You ever hit an engine when I fly by? What's up? These 15s for myself.